Imagine living in a home that follows you anywhere. Now imagine that home knowing your temperature preferences, cooking your meals, adjusting your lighting based on your mood, and even warning you about bad weather before your weather app does. Because this is the 2026 camper RV that's smarter than your house. Welcome to Engine Explorer, where horsepower meets innovation and the road leads to luxury. Today we're diving deep into the RV that's not just redefining camping, it's rewriting the meaning of home. This 2026 model is a masterpiece of engineering and artificial intelligence. From the outside, it looks sleek and rugged, ready for any terrain. But the magic begins when you step inside. Everything is smart, connected, and personalized to make your life easier, smoother, and more luxurious. In the cockpit, two massive digital displays greet you. Real-time traffic updates, weather forecasts, engine health, and even campsite availability are all at your fingertips. The system is voice-activated, fully integrated with your smartwatch and phone, and capable of learning your daily habits for seamless travel. Now, when the door slides open, using facial recognition, by the way, you're welcomed into an environment that feels more like a high-end condo than a motorhome. Plush leather seating, heated hardwood floors, panoramic smart windows, and ambient lighting that automatically shifts based on the time of day or your mood. In the kitchen, you'll find a self-cleaning convection oven, a fridge that restocks itself, and cabinets that open with a wave. The kitchen syncs with your calendar to suggest meals, and you can say cook breakfast to start a pre-programmed routine. Yes, it even flips the pancakes. The bathroom is something out of a luxury spa. Smart glass turns opaque with a single tap. A rainfall shower remembers your preferred temperature and pressure. There's even a water recycling system that filters and reuses gray water so you can stay off-grid longer. Move into the bedroom and it gets even better. The mattress adjusts to your sleep position in real time. The built-in sound system can play white noise, ocean waves, or your favorite playlist as you drift off. A skylight overhead dims automatically if it detects too much morning light, perfect for sleeping in at a mountain campsite. And then there's the personal AI assistant, projected holographically in the lounge. It can help plan your route, recommend places to stay, book dinner reservations, or even answer trivia questions while you relax. What about parking? Don't worry, this RV can do it by itself. Full autonomous parking, automatic leveling, and obstacle recognition ensure smooth setup every time. No stress, no arguments, just relaxation. The 2026 camper RV isn't just a vehicle, it's a fully connected, luxurious lifestyle on wheels. Whether you're escaping into the wild or cruising cross-country, it adapts to your needs, keeps you comfortable,